Hope you're all doing good. Roasted vegetables are best when you can have it nice and hot straight from the oven. But if you're bored of roasted vegetables and if you're wondering what to do with the leftovers, today I'm going to show you how can you roast those vegetables in the air fryer and how can you make use of those vegetables. I'm going to make it into a vegetable cutlet. This is filled with nutrients and vitamins. It has broccoli, pepper, carrots and onion, and it's a great starter. It's a great appetizer. You can entertain with your family and friends, and it's a great snack for your kids as well. So do give it a try and keep watching. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. In a mixing bowl, add in the broccoli florets. I washed and rinsed them really well. To this, add in 2 diced carrots and 4 mini sweet peppers. This is going to enhance the flavor. Drizzle in some olive oil, salt, black pepper. Give it a good mix. Yum! And now let's roast them in the air fryer. I always like to preheat it for 5 minutes and then add in the vegetables. For extra flavor, I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. It's totally up to you. You may add whatever seasoning you like. Today I'm using Italian seasoning. This is going to enhance the flavor to my roasted vegetables, and I'm going to roast it for 8 minutes under 400 Fahrenheit. You can roast it for a little bit longer, but what I noticed is broccoli florets gets burnt, and this is just perfect. Now I'm going to let it cool down, and then using a food processor I'm going to grind it just for 2 to 3 seconds. If you don't have a food processor, you can simply chop them using a cutting board. I'm just using the food processor to cut some time. It just takes 2 to 3 seconds. That's it, because I just need a crumbly texture. And this is just perfect. Look how gorgeous it turned out. Love the color already. It smells good because it's roasted and with all that seasoning and flavor. It smells good. I can simply eat it like that. To this, I'm going to add 2 medium-sized onion chopped and a little bit of green chili for some extra heat and 2 cups of chickpea flour. And I'm going to add a little bit of garam masala, salt, and give it a good mix. Mix it well until the mixture is combined well. Now take a small portion in your hand and press it between your palm to see if the mixture is binding. If not, you may add a little bit of chickpea flour. This is perfect for me. Look how I'm able to make a desired shape. This has turned out beautiful. Now let's pop them in the air fryer. I'm going to air fry these veggie cutlets under 370 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes first, and then I'm going to flip them, turn them, and air fry for another 8 minutes. I have about 16 pieces, so in total it took me 18 minutes to air fry. If you have a small batch of 8 to 10 pieces, you can just air fry for 15 to 16 minutes. Wow! Look how gorgeous this has turned out. I'm so excited. I can't wait to plate it and eat it. This is beautiful. You may plate it however you like. I love some colors, and I'm going to have it with guava chutney. That's how I like it. You can eat it with mint chutney, coriander chutney, or whatever sauce you like. This guava chutney and this veggie cutlet turned out absolutely delicious. Hope this recipe will come in handy. If you like this video, please share this love with your friends, and stay tuned for more such healthy videos, and don't forget to shine with Shobs.